base of this marinade. Black pepper. Use this. Black pepper. Himalayan salt. This is our base seasoning. Both of them I'm gonna put too much. Okay. And black pepper. We need to rub it. Also from the back, but this one is, yeah, all of my hands. Okay. Rub all over. Rub it all over. The honey hickory McCormick Grill Master rub, because this is the first time I'm going to use. Okay, start. Ooh, I think it's gonna be good. Yep. Over here, we need to marinate too. It must be all over. Okay? So, I think that's enough for both sides. When you finish rubbing on it, we need to refrigerate for 30 minutes. Or until the time you need to cook, okay? Before we put it on our air fryer, we need to put this one too. This is a real good with the garlic and everything. All the seasoning, all the ingredients that they have. I tried it already. It's so good. We're gonna use the honey hickory, okay? Put a little bit more pepper over here on this side. I need to do it evenly. I'm gonna use this. A little bit on the back only, because I put a lot in the front side, to put a little bit more on the back. See how it is? Baby back rib, I'm going to match with the steamed broccoli. Have my daughter gonna cook some spaghetti and maja blanca. Okay, I think this is good now. Casey Masterpiece Caribbean Jerk. This one. Air fryer, okay? So, here you go. Okay, we're going to select the settings. This one. French fries. The shrimp, cake, chicken, steak, fish, and your pizza. Okay, we're going back. That's French fries, and this is the rib. That one. So set it for how many? 25? No, I want to only 20 minutes. I lower this so it will not gonna burn. We're good.